Hey guys, it's your girl Harmony, and I am fit to go see who is going to come find me. But if I'm not asleep, you can still see my mom and me. But if I'm asleep, you see my mom come in my room right here, up here. See my mom in here somewhere, right there. And let me turn the light off. Yeah, so I'm gonna go right here, and so I am about to. Okay, so I'm about to be going crazy. So I am going to go sit right here. Uh, so okay, you can see my face. You may not, you probably can't. So I'm right here, and I am about to see it. Wait, I'll make a next video. Watch my next video. Watch my next video. It's your girl Harmony. Peace out.